So this website will pay you up to $26, $9, $5, $10 per survey. If you want to earn like these people you're seeing on my screen right now, watch this video, okay? I'll show you everything about them so that you can start earning your own money today. So you're going to start in 3 easy steps. You're going to create a free account, complete surveys, and you get paid. They have over 600,000 reviews on Trustpilot. You can go to Trustpilot and check them out and see if what I'm saying is a lie, okay? So you're going to share your views on products, services, and experiences. You're going to answer simple questions at your own pace, and then you're going to get paid to your preferred app or account. Now, you can make up to $20 per survey, like you're seeing here, okay? You can earn up to $25 per survey. So you're going to sign up or log in, and when you see available surveys, you can then answer it. And I do want to point out that they have a high acceptance rate, unlike the other surveys that we looked at that we see. The payout methods they have is PayPal, Venmo, digital gift cards. They have over 100 digital gift cards, and they also do bank transfer. They also pay into your bank account or your debit card, depending on your location, right? So these are people that have been earning so far $24, $23, $15, $13, and so on. So you're going to answer surveys on trending topics on automotive, restaurant, smartphone, TV series, groceries, US presidential election, and many more. So you will always find something. So if you're ready to join them, you're going to go ahead and click on Start Earning Today, and it should take you through the sign up process, okay? The name of this website is called Earnhaus.com. So I'm going to leave the link in the description for you guys this time, okay? So that you can use it and sign up. You can sign up for free using your email address or your Google account. So whichever one you want to log in with, just go ahead and do that. Also, it works on any device. So whether you're using your mobile phone, an iPad, or a computer, it works. Okay, you're going to earn cash and then convert to points. So it's so easy to do. You have nothing to lose by trying this survey. It's been a long time I posted on this channel. Thank you everyone for coming today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share. Okay, so let's proceed. So you're going to then go ahead and click on Start Earning Today. So whichever one you want to sign up with, you can go to that. So I'll sign up and then come back to you guys. So it says, welcome to Earnhaus. There are 5,719 paid surveys available right now. Survey sponsors are looking for participants. Complete surveys and you can get paid today. So begin your registration here. So once you enter your email address, this will be the next step. So the next step is, it says, get started, done. The next step, congratulations, you're almost done signing up. Complete the remaining steps below and start earning today. You may qualify to participate in the paid surveys listed below. Healthcare surveys, snack concept surveys, social media usage surveys. 10 minutes, and the first one, healthcare survey, is paying $25. Snack concept survey is paying $4 for 15 minutes. Social media usage survey is paying $1.25 for 10 minutes. So new members, you're going to complete a profile with your name, your country, and your postcode. Okay, I'll do that and we'll continue. Then the next step is to choose your payment method or your payout method. So I'm going to choose PayPal because it's easier for me. So it says that the option of paying directly into my bank account is not available in my country. And Venmo too requires a US mobile number. If you have a US mobile number, you can go ahead and put it here and use Venmo. Or you can go for digital cards. It can be Amazon gift cards or any type of gift card. So I'll go for PayPal. That works for me. I'll choose it. And then I'm going to connect my PayPal and come back again to you guys. So I've connected my PayPal account. The next step now is new member questionnaire. This is for you to pre-qualify for more surveys. Okay, you need to answer these demographic questions. So you're going to enter these questions, and you can also skip for now if you don't want to take that time. If you feel it's taking a lot of time, you can skip it. Okay, I'm just doing it to show you guys. So my email address has been verified because they're going to send you an email for you to confirm. So this is a tutorial survey. Earn your first $1. This is a special survey that will guide you through the process of taking your first survey. You will earn $1 for this survey, so don't skip it. Tap the next button. So if you don't want to earn this $1 as your sign up bonus, you can skip it. So I'll just take the survey and come back. So I've completed the survey and I was paid $1. So you can go ahead and rate them, or you can also go for another survey. But because of this tutorial, I'm not going to go for another survey. There are so many surveys that will pay you really well. $2, $5 and like that. So you can go ahead and click on any survey you want to complete and begin. This one is 7 minutes that you will earn $2. So this is a very great website where you can earn so much for just completing surveys. It's not like the usual survey site that we all know. Okay, so and you will always find surveys. If your country is available here, because they claim that they are available in over 100 countries, if your country is here and you're allowed to sign up, go ahead and sign up. You earn so much money from here. I'm being honest. You can also use VPN to try and sign up even if your country is not here. Okay, so this is all I can say for now on this particular one. You can see my $1 bonus. The first question, the first survey that I completed, that is the $1 that I was paid. So if you complete it now, you will get paid immediately. It's just a tutorial survey, but I got paid. Do it and you also get your $1. Okay, get your friends and family to sign up for Earnhaus and you earn $2 for each qualified referrals through our referral program. Okay, first of all, to be qualified, you must earn $5. Verify your identity, redeem your first reward. Once you've met all these requirements, your unique referral link will appear here. So check back. Okay, so that is how this one works. Go ahead and sign up and start earning. Don't complain, guys. People that like to complain in the comment section, just go ahead and sign up. But if your country is not here, please don't get too worked up. Okay, I'll find a way to get the one that works in your country. All I need is for you to just leave your country in the comment section so that I'll make a video about your country. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment and share to others, and I will see you guys in the next one.